Hello everybody, welcome from HPACR Design Engineering. I am Tuyao. Now I want to talk about hot and cold water dispenser wiring diagram. Now we see is wiring diagram of hot and cold water dispenser. Compressor have 3 terminals, common C, start S, run R. Compressor start relay conducted to run R and start S terminate in compressor. Overload protector is conducted to common C terminate in compressor. Overload protector protect the compressor overload. Compressor overload occurs when the amount of current flowing through the compressor is exceeded the rating of compressor. Overload protector is vary according to the compressor capacity, such as kilowatt, watt or horsepower. Another wire of overload protector is connected to one side of thermostat. Another side of thermostat is connected with one side of green switch. Line wire is connected with another side of green switch. If you want to cooling the water during power on, you need to switch on the green switch. Switch on in green switch is allowing the line and neutral current flowing into the compressor for running the compressor. Compressor is running for cooling process of water. When reaching the certain temperature of water, thermostat will cut out the electric current flowing into the compressor for stopping the compressor running. When temperature of water is higher than certain temperature, thermostat will cut in the electric current flowing into the compressor for starting the compressor running. Switch off in green switch is disconnecting the electric current flowing into the compressor for stopping the compressor running. Stopping the compressor running is stopping the cooling process of water. Compressor start relay is connected with neutral wire. From compressor start relay, neutral wire is connected with one side of manual reset bimetal thermostat. Another side of manual reset bimetal thermostat is connected with neutral terminal of heating element. So, when you power on, neutral current is flowing into heating element. Another side of heating element is line terminal. This line terminal of heating element is connected with one side of auto reset bimetal thermostat. Another side of auto reset bimetal thermostat is connected with one side of red switch. Another side of red switch is connected with line wire. If you want to heat in the water during power on, you need to switch on red switch. So, line and neutral current are flowing into the heating element for heating process of water. Auto reset bimetal thermostat and manual reset bimetal thermostat are attached on the heating tank. Heating element is installed inside the heating tank. When water temperature is reaching approximately 88 degrees Celsius, auto reset bimetal thermostat is cut out the electric current flowing into the heating element and stopping the heating process of water. When water temperature is lower than 88 degrees Celsius, auto reset bimetal thermostat is cutting the electric current flowing into the heating element and starting again the heating process of water. When water temperature is reaching approximately 95 degrees Celsius, manual reset bimetal thermostat is cut out the electric current flowing into the heating element and stopping the heating process of water. In manual reset bimetal thermostat, press the reset button to cut in the electric current flowing into the heating element and starting again the heating process of water. Thank you very much for watching my video.